Good morning to all of you. My name is Rasani from class 11th SBM Inter College Sitarganj, Udham Singh Nagar. Here I make this prototype of helicarrier. I inspired this prototype from Avenger movie or a shortage of aircrafts in our country. So I make this project for our Indian Army. It improves, it upgrade our defensive formation and it also improve our attacking formations. Here I use multi-weapons like laser gun. It was used for multi-laser beams are detected, and when it was charged, here we use charging system. When lasers are charged, it make a single destructive beam for enemies. Why multi-prism? We use multi-prism in it. Here flamethrower we use for our enemies like drones. When enemy drones are coming nearby our helicarrier, then these flamethrower will destroy that drones or jets. Here I use a AI module in control room for operating multi systems like many futuristic things we use in it. That was not possible manually. It was too difficult to manually control. So I use multi AI system, and here we use a radar system. And now our upper part is not completed yet. So we will. It is still in progress. Here we use a turbojet engine. The main thing is it have to fly on sky. We use turbojet engine to reach it in sky. When we use LPG fuels, and our consumption of fuel is too much high, so we use a magnet. Here we use a magnet between this. We use permanent magnet, and for improving this magnetic field, we use electromagnet on sides. So when it react with our magnetic field of our Earth, it can fly without any fuels and any other. It requires only few amount of electricity. Here we also use some cannons of coils, and it is still in progress. So when it was completed, it became too much destructive, and here it works as a aircraft where we make a launching pad. Thank you. Have a nice day.